In this video, we're just going to have a look at some final styling. As you can see, things are a little bit disjointed. So to do the final styling, I've just copied the styles that I've used, and I'm just going to paste them in here above those product titles that we did earlier. And the moment I paste it in, you can see how everything pulls together. So we've given the buttons a width of 100%. We've centered the content. Everything there looks as it needs to look. So I think yeah, everything looks great. And basically what we did is we gave the buttons a width of 100%, as I said. Then we have some standard backgrounds for the titles, although those were generally handled earlier by the BY archive title. This referred to a previous version of what I'm doing, so we don't need that. It'll have no effect. Yeah, then we, when it came to the cart form, so the add to basket here or add to cart is always in the way of a form. So you'll see here that if we look at the add to cart, and I'll go down here, that's the price, and we just so generally the add to cart would be linked to a form, or in this case to a button. In this case, just to a button. And then what we did is we, you'll see that when you select the button, that the if you look at the native text, you'll see here that you have this a button product type simple, add to cart, Ajax, add to cart, and we just focused here on this a button product type simple. And then you'll notice that there's a different version for each type of product. This probably not required for this layout, so we can remove that. This one as well. And then we had the, let's have a look at this product link. And you can see that that has to do with the alignment of these items here. So what we had to look at is the WooCommerce loop, the main loop, and we've just centered the content down the middle. And it's very little styling that you actually need. Just 3 elements of styling, and that was it. To style that. The last thing that we need to style though is this piece at the top here, where we have this message encouraging the customer to spend a little bit more so they can get free shipping, and quite easy then to target that selector and then paste it in. And now we can create and then maybe we'll just do some margin to the bottom. Let's make it 10 pixels. We can give it a border of 1 pixel and solid. We can also give that a border dash radius of 5 pixels. So make it a little bit round. And then what we'll do is we'll give that a light color. And yeah, there you can see what we can also do then is have a look at text align center. So we put it in the center, and then maybe just do something like a box shadow. And we'll go 0 space 5 pixels space 10 pixels. So something like that. Maybe that's a little bit bright, so maybe just something very subtle like that. And you could, of course, style more by targeting specific elements within that sentence so that they are highlighted as you go. Maybe I'm just going to add a little bit more padding to the bottom there. Right, so there we have our page. You only need $60 more to get free shipping, and that's across the top of the shop. So that works quite nicely. We can publish that and close that. And then as we add items to the cart, you'll see that that total drops until you get free shipping. And we could even style so that when that changes, that a different style applies, and then we can highlight the fact that they have free shipping. So yeah, that's just in this series of videos to show you what's possible, how to build your shop using the default WooCommerce loop. The last thing I'm going to show you then will be this interactive filter, and I'll do that in the next video. So great. Thank you for watching.